This is a total win already, right? So prior to I guess picking your subscription, they're gonna ask you like what your sizes are. So they sent me the size that I wanted, 34 by 34. About plain blue jeans. I could definitely use this. This is a total win already, right? All right, so what about this? So I guess a crisp shirt. It's just a t-shirt. Nothing to get excited over, but I think it looks fresh. We're winning. What do we have here? This looks like a hoodie. A camouflage hoodie. What the fuck? I guess. You know what? I'll probably give this to somebody else, but not a bad sweater, right? Let's see. Another pair of jeans, but this one it's like shorts, right? Definitely use it. Right now it's July in Korea, and this is a total win right here.